Ow! Mukbang, biggie bang bang, mucky bang bang, biggie bang. I like to eat.
Why you gonna get
all
copyrighted
day.
if you also sing the song?
No, well, I don't know. No, not if you
No.
sing the song, but if you have it
What
in
if-
there for
what if
No,
we
not
do-
true, right?
no,
Because
wait.
covers, right?
What if we do the intro
One steak.
with our voices? You know,
Oh.
like if we sing it together, and then it'll sound good because then it's like a group singing it.
All right, on three. One, two.
Wait, how does it go?
Wait, I have girls in my phone.
Oh,
Mukbang,
that's fine.
mukbang, biggie bang bang, biggie bang bang, biggie bang.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm not doing this.
How about we just all say it however we want?
Yeah.
And we'll see how it turns out.
Okay, count us down, just.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mukbang,
biggie bang bang,
biggie bang bang, biggie bang,
bang
biggie bang bang.
I eat food all day. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're recording. Rolling. Rolling, pull it up.
Okay, good. Oh, it's weird. It's backwards. It's throwing me off.
Can we start?
Yeah.
Chester, hurry up! I want a bowl. Anybody want a bowl instead? What was that in?
I said, fine, don't grab the plate, I got you.
Okay.
Can I have a spoon though?
Hello, 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 hello.
Great catch.
Hello. Ha.
Aloha, and welcome to our first
Oh, hi.
Ohio.
Oh, should I check the focus?
Yeah, you
Thought you
should.
did that.
Yes. That would
Oh.
suck if we weren't in focus. I would
Autofocus.
just- Yeah, wait, let's do a thumbnail first. I don't know. Pick
Oh.
up something. Wait, not my phone.
Oh, okay.
Nico, come here. Just kidding.
What are you doing?
Just freeze for like 5 seconds.
Wait, let me do this.
Oh, scary.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Hi, I'm Bronson.
What up? I'm Chester,
And I'm Brit.
Kay Slan.
and this is our first mukbang.
Bang, 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 bang.
No.
We tell them what we have on the menu?
Yeah, let's
Wait,
go.
hold on. It's
Oh,
10:30 p.m.
10:23.
10:23
On
on,
a Sunday.
Wait, mountain time.
We got work
Mountain
tomorrow.
time.
Mountain time. Okay.
Okay, so, Chester, what do we have?
We have steak. Rib. Is that ribeye?
Yes.
It just comes from Macau.
We got spam, other parts of the cow.
Yes. This,
No, it's a pig.
yeah, pig.
We don't know what we're eating.
Yeah, it's mystery meat.
We got noodles.
Noodles.
Yakisoba, actually.
Some gyoza. Kimchi, of course. 2 different kinds. One green, one red.
We got chicken.
Chicken. And bok choy. And over there we got like some green shit. You don't gotta worry about that. And rice, of course.
Oh, we gotta have the rice. Kason, could you hook me up with some rice?
Oh yeah. Okay, perfect.
Got
All
you.
right.
Here.
All right. So we're gonna start cooking. Let's start cooking, guys.
We got a Hawaiian barbecue sauce. And then we got like a gochujang spicy sauce.
Gochujang, gochujang.
Gochujang. Oh no, I just put the chicken juice on me. Alright, I gotta get a napkin. I'll be right back.
Oh man.
Can you get another one? We got the shrooms.
I'm dead.
Oh, we got some shrooms and some zucchini. All right. Okay. Here we go.
What are we eating again?
Man, it takes some time for all this stuff to cook.
Pounds, please.
You know. So in the meantime,
Paper towels. What's a party without paper towels? What's a mukbang without paper towels?
we're gonna talk about some stuff. And the first topic on the menu.
On the menu.
On the menu.
That was a good one.
You get it?
That was
You
funny.
get it? Yeah. Ooh.
It's so funny.
Yeah. First start off real soft and light. What is the question? If you are stuck on a desert island and you had only one food, since we're eating, to eat for the next 5 years, what food would that be? Just one.
Sushi. I would pick sushi.
Why?
Okay, wait.
Good one.
Oh wait. Question
Yeah,
though.
one type of sushi, only like the same.
So you couldn't say like Asian food or
Wait,
Hawaiian
is it
food?
No,
like
no.
a meal?
It's just one thing.
Just
So,
one thing?
so if you say
product.
sushi, it has to be like a
Spicy,
salmon.
spicy ahi rolls. Or
Spicy.
spicy ahi rolls or spicy ahi.
No, you
spicy
can't say
ahi.
or. You have to say.
Okay, spicy ahi rolls. Spicy ahi rolls.
Come.
Well, spicy ahi is like my favorite kind of tuna slash poke or sushi slash poke. It's just delicious. You know, it's high in fat and protein. I feel like on a desert island, you know, you have to you have to like you burn a lot of calories. You know, you're gonna be in the sun all day. You don't have a house unless you can build stuff.
Yeah, that's.
I
You
can't.
went deep. You thought about
I know.
that.
I'm like.
I've
Oh.
you know, I have a lot of downtime in my life.
Okay, so next.
Steak.
Steak.
I'm gonna eat steak.
Oh, what kind?
You're
Filet mignon?
Ooh, yeah. What cut? What
it
cut,
has to
babe?
be ribeye, bone-in steak.
Oh, bone in for that extra
Oh,
flavor.
boning.
Mm-hmm.
Eat boning.
I can have steak every day. I hope they can hear us.
I'm sure they can hear us on one of those. But all right, Brit, you're next. Okay, I'll go next.
Too slow. Takes off. There you go.
Just rice. I'll be happy with rice.
Just right.
Yeah, you know, because it's carbs, it'll fill you up. And in case I find anything else on the island, maybe I eat it with that. Simple. Because I age, I like rice on anything.
Speaking of rice, have you guys ever just eaten just rice for a snack? I have in my life. Just rice and soy sauce.
Rice and salt.
Rice and salt?
Oh,
Yeah.
rice,
You make the rice
milk,
into a
and
ball,
salt.
like an egg.
Rice, milk, and salt?
Yeah.
No.
I
All my
think, Vicky, what did you
Filipinos out
do to
there,
this kid?
all my Filipinos out there, this is a dish for breakfast. When the milkman comes in the morning and you get fresh squeezed cow milk, they put that on rice and dash some salt on it, and that's breakfast.
Okay, back to what I would eat. I guess I would choose
That.
The bird? The
You just put.
I don't even know.
Hey, you
Okay.
guys took my kimchi.
What? We're sharing. Jeez.
Yeah, but
What?
I want some.
Hold on.
All right.
I would
Thank
say
you.
bok choy because it's right in front of my face, and I love bok choy.
Oh, just no grain, just okay. No,
You're on
no,
the
no
island.
judgment.
No
It
judgment.
has vegetation, it has root vegetables.
Oh man, it's just
No,
water.
but you're not allowed to eat them.
What?
You only get that one thing, I thought.
Why?
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 Yeah,
You're an island.
That's
There's
one
fish.
thing. That's one thing.
No, I thought the question was
All right.
if you could only eat one thing.
Oh, that's true.
Oh,
Well,
forever?
rice would still be my choice.
Okay,
I guess you can eat fish
so,
with rice.
so spicy, so spicy ahi rolls, rice, bok choy, and steak. Oh, that all together would be a pretty good meal too, though.
Hey,
This is what we're eating, though.
hopefully we all get
Yeah, without the minus the
together
fish.
on the desert, and then we have a party. You know, well, potluck. I bring the rice.
I bring the bok choy.
The guys have ahi here, and steak. That's all you need.
What would you guys eat if you guys were on the island?
Tell us.
Yeah.
Comment down below, or whatever. Make your own video and let us know.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Aladdin.
Ooh,
Oh.
I liked it. There were things I didn't care for, but I don't know. What did you guys jump in?
Before I watched it, everyone told me it sucked.
I heard
Yeah.
reviews that it
And so
sucks.
I did
so
too.
I went in there with no thinking that it was gonna suck, and it surprised me a little bit because the singing was not bad. Jasmine, you fine. You know,
Oh,
She
girl.
saved.
Sorry. Side note. There's gonna be a new Charlie's Angels, and she's in it.
oh what?
Oh wait, who? There's gonna be the
Jasmine?
Jasmine. She's gonna be in the new Charlie's Angels
Oh,
with Kristen Stewart. The
I'm
one
a
from
fan.
Twilight.
I'm a fan. I don't even know her name, but I'm a fan.
Yo, what happened to Kristen Stewart? I feel like she fell off the map after Twilight.
She's in like other movies.
Didn't she cheat on her boyfriend?
Yes,
Who
with
is
the
that?
director
Ooh.
Who's that?
from
What are you guys talking
Snow
about?
White.
Maybe he
From the
makes
Snow White movie.
maybe he makes more money. That's why.
Oh, Twilight.
The vampire
the vampire.
girl.
Oh.
Yeah, that one.
Man, that's like
Put the
10 years
scam on
ago.
there. That's old news.
Yeah, it is what it is.
That's it. Oh, spam.
Yo, who here likes spam? Let us know if you like spam or if you
Yeah.
think it's gross.
If you think it's gross, watch
think-
something else. Get out of my channel.
Don't go to Hawaii.
Yeah. No more time for convince you.
As if you need convincing, because we all know you love spam.
Okay, let's get one thing straight. When you eat spam, you still have to cook it.
Yes.
You don't
thank
eat it like this.
Yeah, you don't eat out of the can, guys. I was disappointed with Jasmine. I was like, oh man, like when I was a kid and I watched the cartoon, Jasmine was like this like beauty, and I don't know, she didn't catch
What?
my attention during the preview. No, during the preview, let
What?
me finish. But then I saw the movie and then I was like, okay, I liked her as Jasmine. But and you guys may disagree. I didn't care for the songs they added for her. Not that she didn't perform it well. I just didn't
No, she sang really well.
She sang really good. I think
Yeah.
for me, when I'm watching these Disney remakes,
Man.
I want it to be exactly like the cartoons. Like that's what I want when I'm watching these.
Then you should just watch the cartoon then.
No, because I want to see actual people, not cartoons. Fool.
Okay.
Okay.
You're always so confrontational.
Anyway, so when I started watching Aladdin, when the opening scene started going on,
Oh, when it started.
when it started,
Yeah.
I like got chills because I was like, holy crap, this is like actually happening.
Oh.
It like exceeded my expectations. I enjoyed it a lot.
You know what? What's his name? Will Smith. It's hard to fill what's his name, Robin Williams, shoes, and we shouldn't expect that he would, because that's really hard shoes to fill.
And
But
it's
I
like
think-
his rendition, you know?
Yeah, exactly. And I liked it. Made it fun.
And caveat, Will Smith's one of my favorite actors all time, like top 5. So, like that one scene in Fresh Prince,
Yeah.
when his dad,
That scene. Play that scene. Roll. Just kidding. We can't.
We
don't
cannot
have the
copyright.
No, maybe
No,
for like 5
but-
seconds.
you guys know what I'm
Nah.
talking about, right? Like when his dad leaves him.
Yeah, and he
like
puts
that
that
hit me.
statue.
That hit me
Yeah.
pretty hard, you know what I mean?
With Uncle Phil.
Yeah, he's dead. Anyway, but back to Aladdin.
For the 5th
For
time.
the 5th time.
Yo, what did you guys think about like the production quality and like you
I
know?
thought it was awesome. I liked it a lot.
Funny
All I
because I saw.
asked for in the movie was a backstory or something new that wasn't in the original, and the Aladdin's
the genie story.
yeah,
Yeah.
story was there, so I was happy about it.
Yo, I didn't know.
Wait.
Yeah, what?
The that part at the end, I didn't even put that together that was his wife
Who?
at the beginning.
Whose
Oh.
wife?
Genie's wife.
Genie's wife.
Like when they were in the boat together?
Yeah.
Wait, you thought he kidnapped her or something?
No,
What
I
the-
just didn't put the story together that he was like telling a story and it was his story. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, I got you.
And then that was his
Oh.
wife that he had kids with.
I thought you
was-
meant like his wife from a long time ago. I was like, she's dead. Oh.
You know, it was pretty cool to see that the
Okay,
girl who
stakes
played
set.
his wife / girlfriend, she's from New Girl, which is one of my favorite shows. They should bring it back.
Oh yeah.
Allison,
Please
from
bring
New
that
Girl.
show back.
I wouldn't know because I haven't watched New Girl. So
Yeah, because you don't like good
that's
things.
where that is.
Winston's wife.
Allie.
I was like, who the heck is Winston?
The funny guy.
Winston.
Actually, Schmidt is also Winston.
The prankster. Got him. Oh.
Gilza, you okay over here?
You guys can start
Oh.
like looking at this chicken. It might be close.
One thing about Aladdin at the end, there's a whole new world. I didn't like the whole new world in the movie itself because it was like the same. But I don't know if you guys heard Zayn's and Javia's version of the whole new world. They played it at the end credits, and that version was dope. They should have played that in the movie instead.
I'd rate it a strong 8.
8 out of 10.
I say 9 for me.
8.
Yeah, I say 8 too. No, yeah, 8. Overall, it was a good live action version.
All right, so what's next on the agenda, guys? Or the menu? Sorry.
Yeah, man, come on, get together.
What's next on the menu?
Just them. Your most favorite place that you visited so far and why?
Okay, go first, Brit.
My most favorite place I visited was San Francisco.
Okay.
I just like the city and the vibes. I don't know. I just like living in a small town. It was kind of like a good like refresher, I guess.
Yeah, she's from Kauai.
It's like a it's like a change of pace for me.
Yeah,
So I enjoyed it a lot, and like the buildings and the sights and the food.
Yeah, since we're on the topic of food, what's your favorite place to eat in San Francisco? From what you visited?
Where did we? Well, we only ate at Fisherman's Wharf. So we had chowder and like this crab sandwich roll thing. So that was good. I enjoyed it a lot.
In San Francisco, there's this really good place called Mama's. It's a breakfast place. They have these Monte Cristos. It's like a French toast, but between the French toast, there's ham. You can have ham and cheese or jelly, and then they wrap that in egg again, so it's like sealed. And it's like, oh man, it's so
So it's
good.
a fried French toast.
Filled.
sandwich.
That's filled in between.
With jam?
You could do either or. But the ham and cheese, no, actually no, the ham and cheese you can dip it in jam because it's almost like cranberry juice, like Thanksgiving. You know, yeah. Try it, Mama's. It's very busy though. What I hate about San Francisco though, traffic and the parking.
No, just driving in San Francisco.
I mean,
it's so hard.
Like, the hill is crazy.
No, dude, you have like some roads that's like a one-way from 2 to 3,
Some
and then a
is a
4-way from
bus
3 to
lane.
4, and then it's a bus lane from like 8 to 10. It's ridiculous.
Not hating on San Francisco, you guys are dope.
I still love it.
I'm hating on driving in San Francisco. I am because
Yeah.
it was rough, dude. Like if you're gonna go to San Francisco, don't even bother renting a car. Like just take Uber.
No, my favorite trip was Japan.
Hey.
Not because.
It's not
Well,
fair.
no, mine's just because
Yeah,
I
there's
stayed with a
4, right?
whole
It's like-
family,
It's me.
and they were amazing. They took me everywhere. They fed me.
Oh, what was your favorite place to eat in Japan?
The sushi place.
What is it called? Or do you remember what it was called?
I don't know what it's called, but it was pretty much like
Oh, thanks.
Genki,
Thanks, little man.
but times 4. It's huge.
Oh.
It was a conveyor belt. They had 3 conveyor belts in there.
That's the thing about Japan. Don't eat at the chain restaurants. There's the Genki in Shinjuku. There's like a sushi place right across of it that no one goes to, but it's underrated. Like people should go there instead of waiting for 2 hours at Genki. The pieces of sushi, like you said, were good.
What is it called?
The place that I went to?
It's
I don't know.
Oh,
I couldn't tell.
Yeah, you know, it's just
it's
sushi.
just there.
Okay, so favorite place that I've traveled to so far, Mexico. Mexico is dope as heck, man. We did a all-inclusive resort. We stayed in the Tulum area. It's like, if you don't know where that is, like kind of closer to the Cancun side of Mexico. Going into it, honestly, I was a little nervous. Literally, like a month before we went there, there was a report that came out that there was a shooting literally on the beaches near our resort, and so that like kind of freaked me out. But we already paid for it, so it was too late to back out. But I gotta say, I honestly didn't feel unsafe like during the whole trip. I felt totally safe. Everyone's super nice. Like I don't know if it's just because we were tourists and you know they working for tips, but
They're like, they got money.
they were super nice. And you know, don't go during July because it's like stupid hot. It's like literally the minute we walked out of the airport, because the airport was air conditioning. As soon as we walk out, you're drenched in sweat already, like in 30 seconds. So don't go in July. Try to go in a cooler time of the year. But man,
What
it
was
fun.
your favorite, the most favorite thing you ate there?
Ooh,
There was
The
a lot.
tacos at Shaha.
Oh yeah, that buffet.
yeah, pretty much. Honestly, I can't say a favorite. It was all really good. So yeah, probably the buffet at Shell Hall and all the food that was in that buffet.
Shell Hall.
Yeah, and Shell Hall is like this. It's like their water park.
SHELL?
Natural
Oh no,
water park.
XELXA.
X. Oh, there you go.
Shell Hall.
Shell Hall.
XA.
Highly
HA.
recommended. If you're going to that area, guys, go to freaking Shell Hall. You're not gonna be disappointed.
Yeah.
Hey, can I get some of that rabbit food?
Yeah.
Just a one piece of rabbit food.
Rabbit food on its way.
Gracias. See, Mexico. Lego.
And as far as things to do in Mexico, what was your...
Well, my favorite thing to do was kind of the excursions that we did outside of the resort. Like, don't get me wrong, the resort is dope, but definitely going out. So we did a few different things. We saw the Mayan ruins. We saw the cenotes, which is these like underwater like caves with like fresh water in them. We got to zip line into there. We carabined into the caves. We got to like snorkel, and there's like all these tropical fish down there.
You guys have pictures of these?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, Bill, cue pictures.
The best part of it was Shoha. So not only was the food great, the atmosphere was amazing, but the things you could do, like it's this giant water park on the beach. Like the beach is a part of the water park, and it's enclosed by like this natural like safety barrier. So it's like this massive ocean, and you don't gotta worry about sharks or barracudas or eels or anything else that's gonna eat you. And you just swim and have a good time. And
Nice.
obviously,
You can swim with stingrays.
well, there's different
Few
levels
pictures.
too. There's different levels to the tickets you can buy, and one of the levels is you can get all you can drink in there too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why didn't we do that?
Well, we did do that, but we were too focused on eating
Oh.
and having fun. Yeah, we're not alcoholics like some people.
Wait, we did?
Yeah.
We did the all-inclusive one?
Man, you guys pay for it. You guys gonna do it?
I don't remember.
You're too
Man.
busy.
I was like hot.
Honestly, that was kind of one of the disappointing things. Was we didn't drink as much as I intended to. Mostly because like the drinks, they weren't bad, but they were like really sweet, and that was kind of like not great.
So, moral of the story is bring salt. Put them in your drink.
So yeah, Mexico, Cancun, Tulum area, that was my favorite.
And all exclusive. So one pay and you're set to go.
It was really affordable too. We flew out of Colorado with the flight and the hotel and everything. It was like $1,300 a head.
Okay. My turn.
Oh yeah.
Chacha doesn't count because he's been like everywhere.
Oh yeah. I traveled all around the world.
You got to Europe?
You can call me Mr. Worldwide.
Ew.
Cue music. I like Japan, but since she already said that, I mean that is one of my favorite places. But if I had to choose something different, it would be Canada. Canada was pretty dope. We went to the suspension bridge, which was literally looks like by rope, and hundreds of people would be on there all the time. And if you jumped, you could feel the vibration throughout the entire bridge, or if anyone jumped. Yeah, cute picture. There was this place called Japa Dog. So again, Japanese, but it's basically like a hot dog that has the same dressing as like sushi. Like it would have bukkake on it, Japanese mayo, and some of it tasted like sushi, not like a hot dog. So it's big in Canada, and I don't think we have it here in the U.S.
Wait, so they have like buns or they shape the rice?
No, it's bun. I don't know if they have the rice one. I've seen those ones too, but this was interesting. As far as like an American-Japanese fusion, it was really good.
Don't judge me.
Oh, and any place that you literally bacon there, it's fat cuts. You're not stingy, and it's cheaper because
I think you'll say their bacon is fat. Like, isn't all bacon fat?
no, like their cuts. Oh
Their
yeah,
portion.
their portion.
It's like thick
the good
cuts, thick cuts
and
everywhere you go.
juicy, yeah. And like Canada maple syrup, like it's a cliche, but honestly, it's good. Maple syrup cookies.
So if you ask for like bacon on your pizza in Canada, like it's automatically Canadian. Like, you don't ask for Canadian bacon, right? It's just bacon.
Yeah, I think so. I don't think they have like any other types of bacon. I don't know. I like restaurants because they like stay true, to them. Shout out to Keanu Reeves,
What?
my favorite Canadian.
He's Canadian?
Yeah.
He's Hawaiian too.
What? I didn't know he was Canadian.
I didn't know he was Hawaiian.
Well,
Or
maybe
Canadian.
Is he Canadian?
I don't think so.
Well,
What?
I thought he was. Only maybe because of Toy Story 4. Just what's that?
Wait, so
Goose
is he
couple?
or is he not?
I don't think so. Once
He's
you guys let us
Hawaiian
know,
for
it's
real,
Keanu Reeves.
Alexa, is Keanu Reeves from Canada?
Alexa doesn't like it.
Crickets.
Yeah, it's not my Alexa, okay? She don't know my voice. Let me see it.
Siri.
No, this is what is it called? Like a commercial break. Hear from our sponsors.
Rep sponsor?
Intermission.
Yeah.
We're sponsored.
Since when?
Junction.
Junction.
Gelato Junction. Gelato Junction. Thank you for sponsoring us and giving
Thank
us.
you for sponsoring us and giving us bok choy.
People going. You get a bok choy?
Hey, you know what? Shout out to Gelato Junction. They have ube flavor.
Oh yeah, I was like, what?
These poor mushrooms.
Did you try it?
No.
Oh, I did. It's good. But I mean, I'm not like an ube person. I just rather eat taro.
Yeah, she's not Hawaiian, that's why.
Or Filipino, obviously.
I am Hawaiian.
So,
And Filipino.
Keanu Reeves
I'm Chinese.
And
is a Canadian-American actor and apparently a musician, it says, according to this. I've never heard his music.
He raps.
Does he?
I don't know.
presents.
Haha.
But yes, so he is Canadian, and I was correct. Let's talk about phobias.
No.
I have FOMO.
We don't know.
FOMO.
That's why we need to ask.
Phobia.
My
It's a
food
phobia.
can
It's a
touch
fear of missing
side by
out.
side, but it can't be stacked. Because it freaks me out. I have anxiety. I don't know why.
I
But
do.
You do?
I can eat a burger because it's meant to be stacked. But
And a
stuff like
sandwich.
this, like a rice and a noodle, it's not meant to be put together.
Yeah, but so you don't like when you crack the yolk all over stuff?
Oh no, I
Like
know.
over rice or bread or hash browns? That's like the best part.
But what if it's meant to do that?
No, it's not. How do you know? Because a burger is meant to be built fast.
And eggs are meant to be
Like,
runny.
what was it good? Bibimbap.
Oh my gosh, my favorite.
It's separated at first, but then you have to
mix it all together.
It's meant to mix
So
together,
good.
yeah. I feel like you
It's
do that
meant
though,
to be
okay?
mixed. Yeah, it's meant to be mixed.
Oh, I see. So as long as it follows the rules of what type of foods it is, then it's okay.
Yes.
Chess, you can put some
Or-
steak on this side now, bro.
Oh, you don't want chicken
Or
nuggets?
what?
Oh, get
Or Caitlin
I don't want to cook
has
that anymore.
issues,
It's messy.
like we've all been saying for the longest time now.
What?
That she has issues.
Issues.
You know what? I'm
But
okay with you guys judging me at
We're
this
still your
point.
friend,
We're still your
And-
friend.
and you know, whatever you gotta do, you can do.
Everyone has little phobias.
I don't like snakes.
What is that now, arachnophobia?
That's the pass for me.
What is that? Snakeophobia?
Arachnophobia.
Wait, it's like
is-
spiders.
Yeah, arachnophobia is spiders.
Arachnophobia.
That's it. That's I don't like spiders. That's my second.
Reptilophobia? Reptile.
We just like to make stuff up.
Yeah.
channel.
We don't got time to keep looking up shit.
We didn't get time to ask.
We'll put it in here. This is the phobia if you're afraid of snakes.
Yo, so should we hop back into the menu of what we were gonna talk about?
Wait, no, you have to tell yours. I have to tell mine.
My phobia?
Yeah.
You go first. I'm still thinking of my phobia.
I think my phobia, something about it, is like open dark space.
Oh.
Yeah.
Open dark space.
Yeah, like the only example I could think of is in the water. Like there's a lot of space, and if you're like super far from the ocean or from the shore, your mind is the worst, you know, your worst enemy in an open
I
space
can't
like that.
touch the ground.
Right, and you're just floating, and you're like, you accidentally
I'm
kick
gonna
something.
panic.
It could be a plastic bag, and you're like, you freak out. Ah!
I
Or
went
like seaweed,
snorkeling
that's the
one
worst.
day and the eel came out of a rock and I like got out and I never went back in.
Yeah? How about you?
Oh, I didn't go yet, huh?
No.
I was supposed to be thinking, but I was eating.
That, my fear is going hungry.
A phobia is that a fear?
I fear something.
Oh, okay. My phobia is heights. I don't care for heights at all.
That's heightophobia.
Do you
Like-
not like roller coasters?
So it's weird, right? I do, but like ladders freak me the hell out. Like I don't like climbing on ladders.
You think is if you're not strapped,
Yeah.
you know, and then that's when you're scared?
Yeah.
Not safe because
Yeah.
you can just fall.
I'm trying to get over that fear though. If anyone's scared of heights and like you got over it, how'd you guys get over it? Cause
Talk to all the parkour guys who jump on buildings and shit.
they're just getting psycho, dude.
Man. YOLO. Those guys that go out to skyscrapers and they hang by one hand,
Oh,
no
yeah.
rope and stuff,
Yeah.
and like they do YouTube videos.
Didn't someone die from that? Like they're doing a trick and something?
I
I'm
don't
sure
know.
there's a lot.
I'm sure,
Probably.
yeah. But they got a lot of views. Alright, next on the menu. And what else on steak?
Yeah, I do. I love steak.
Okay, my mind can happen.
Listen, are you not eating steak? That's your favorite.
He is.
I had like
Or because you're not on the island?
She's like, I'm tired of it. Been eating it for 5 years.
I'm trying to eat everything. Yeah.
Ow!
More stab?
Promise.
Kablam!
Zablam.
Zablam! Zablam! Shout out to Nanakulu. Zablam! We're gonna take your name. Zablam!
It's not with an M, it's with an N.
Nablam?
Zablan.
Oh, Zablam.
Nabland.
N, okay. Tell me where you put the N, okay? Zablan! We don't know if it's a real place or not. It might be made up.
We heard it's a beach.
Yeah, we heard from a Nanakuli, what would you call them? Native
OG.
OG from
OG.
Nanakuli.
Good boy.
Which beach you say it was next to?
You've never been to Subland?
Is it Subland or Zabland?
I've always known that Subland, but
In Subland.
in Nanakuli. Sub, like Subland.
Oh.
That's what I've always known it as.
Subland.
Subland.
Oh, maybe.
Okay, now I heard of that, but Zablan, nope. Nope.
We don't know.
But if you are from Nanakuli and would you like to educate us on this? Send some pictures. You know, well.
Does it help you
And if you don't know what Nanakuli is, what do you think it is? Wrong answers only.
Yeah. Ow.
Mukbang, biggie bang bang, mucky bang bang, biggie bang. I like to eat.
Why you gotta get
all
copyrighted
day.
if you also sing the song?
No, well, I don't know. No, not if you
No.
sing the song, but if you have it
What if-
in there for
what if
No,
we
not
do-
true, right?
no,
Because
wait.
covers, right?
What if we do the intro
One steak.
with our voices? You know,
Oh.
like if we sing it together, bang, bang, and then it'll sound good because then it's like a group singing it.
All right, on 3. 1, 2.
Wait, how does it go?
Wait, I have yours in my phone.
Oh,
Mukbang,
that's fine.
mukbang, biggie bang bang, biggie bang bang, biggie bang.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm not doing this.
How about we just all say it however we want?
Yeah.
And we'll see how it turns out.
Okay, call us down, just.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mukbang,
biggie bang bang, biggie bang bang, biggie bang, biggie bang bang. I eat food all day.
Oh, I like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What they said.
Mukbang.
Subscribe.